what is Perpay credit card? Perpay credit card is an unsecured type of a credit card that you can use without the hassle of annual fees. So you can use it to making your credit good credits in order to get all the benefits without getting a secured channel. And I must say that I have made notes and I have done the research about this topic, and I will tell you my honest review about it. So if you want to get it, I'll be attaching the perfect link in the description below so guys can join their credit card list and simply avail it. So basically, what is Perpay credit card? The Perpay credit card is an unsecured credit card designed to help you build credit without the stress of annual fee or hard credit check. So, some of the key features are payments are made automatically from your paychecks whenever you get paid with direct deposit, helps maintain low utilization and build account history by reporting to the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Earn 2% rewards at every payment, which can be used to shop top brands in the per pay market. So, access and build credit without the stress of an annual fee can be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted, including international. So, this is pretty much it for the video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.